Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to show y'all how to do some easy candied yams, canned yams, okay? So what we have here is some Bruce's yams. They're already in syrup, so they do have, I guess, a little bit of sweetness to them. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna add some things to make it seem more home style, and it's very easy. So I have a 40-ounce can here, and I have a 20-ounce can here. That's just for my family. It's a family of 4, so it's gonna be enough for us. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour both cans into this container here. Uh-oh, got a piece of paper. That looks like a lot of juice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this juice out. It just seems like too much juice already. So I'm just going to pour some of this juice out. I just poured all this juice out here. And then I'm going to add this can. Yeah, that looks good right there. I probably should have had 2 40-ounce because my family loves yams. So, yeah. Yeah, that won't even look like it's gonna be enough for my family. All right, so what we need to do is we're gonna add a half a stick of butter. This is unsalted butter, salted butter, whatever you like. I'm just gonna add that. So I cut that up. I'm just gonna add it very easily. Just gonna add that on top. Okay. Then we have 3/4 cups here of brown sugar. Okay. And then the last thing you need, the last ingredient. Let me wash my hands off. The last ingredient is the cinnamon. Okay. All you're gonna do is you're gonna sprinkle your cinnamon on top. Look at there. Look how easy this is. That's the only thing that you have to do. And then what you do is you bake this in the oven for 40 minutes uncovered. And that's it. If you want to add marshmallows, you can add marshmallows. My daughter, she's 6 years old. She's specifically asked me for marshmallows. Can she have yams with marshmallows? So I'm gonna make sure I put marshmallows on there for her. So I'm gonna bake this for 40 minutes uncovered. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. Bake this for 40 minutes uncovered, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so my yams are going off right now, so we're gonna check them. Oh, it's been 40 minutes, so we're gonna check the yams, canned yams, and see what they are working with. Look, y'all, the canned yams are so easy to make. I just want y'all to see. Ooh, just want y'all to see what they're looking like. So let me get my spoon and stir them up a little bit. So they're not done yet. I can tell they're not done yet. They just need a little bit more. Some of this soup. Some of this liquid needs to. You know what? They look done. So I'm just gonna leave them like they are. And then, so today is Wednesday. Today is not Thanksgiving yet. So what I'm gonna do, I just pre-cooked them. What I'm gonna do tomorrow is I'm gonna put the marshmallows on there. So tomorrow I'm just gonna put the marshmallows on there. I'm gonna put them back in the oven, let the marshmallows melt down a little bit, and then they'll be all done, y'all. So this is the yams. Very easy. Took 5 minutes to prep, and then that was it. Put the marshmallows on there. If you want marshmallows, my daughter wants marshmallows. That's the only, matter of fact, that's the only reason I cook yams. Normally I don't even cook yams, canned yams, but the only reason I cooked them was for her. And I'm gonna put these marshmallows on there for her tomorrow, and then it'll be all done. Okay. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out my collard green video and my stuffing dressing video. All right, take care.